उत्सव तीन रंगांचा आभाळी आज सजला. नतमस्तक मी त्या सर्वांसाठी ज्यांनी भारत देश घडविला, ज्यांनी भारत देश घडविला. Honorable Chief Guest, respected President Sir, Principal Sir, and all dear teachers and my dear friends. Good morning one and all, and wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Myself Sejal Sabre. As we all know, today we are gathered here for celebrating 73rd Republic Day of our country. Every year on 26 January, we celebrate the Republic Day. Republic Day is a national holiday. 26th of January has a special significance in the history of India. In the history of India, we all know that India got independence on 15th August in 1947, but till it, India not have its own constitution. However, after many discussions and considerations, the committee headed by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar submitted the draft of the constitution, and India adopted the constitution on 26th of November in 1949. And the officially constitution come into existence on the 26th January in 1950. This day reminds us of our freedom struggle and how the freedom fighters of our country had given their sacrifices for the Purna Swaraj. When anyone is living without the freedom, the others must hang their heads in the shame. Others must hang their heads in the shame, but our freedom fighters was those, they had not given their lives for the shame, but they had given their lives for the freedom of the country. They had given their lives for the freedom of the country. It's only because of them we are here today to celebrate the Republic Day. Each and every citizen of the Indian country had the right to equality, right to freedom, right to move and right to settle anywhere in the part of country. In last 72 years, our country has gone through with many changes. The Indian people has the right to vote and elect their president. After all these changes in the Indian society, there are some pitfalls coming like unemployment, pollution, corruptions, etc. So we all have to take pledge and promise ourselves that we will become the better version of ourselves and contribute for the change in the country and make our country to live in the world the best country. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak, and at last I would like to say, मातृभूमी ही अजिंक्य, विश्वात साऱ्या वंद्य संस्कृती, विश्वात प्रखर प्रेम इथे युवकात नांदती, हर मनात हृदयात हुंकार एकमेव की आम्ही भारतीय. थँक्यू.